Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a visible surface and the colors you'll use. This matters because color coding speeds glance recognition. Once done, measure a rectangular area with your ruler and pencil, leaving 1-2 cm gaps between notes so edges don't peel. You'll arrange 7 color types for weekdays versus categories. Make sure to decide whether each note is a day or an event. Begin placing a top left anchor note to fix orientation. This first note sets your grid spacing, and you now build the grid so it's stable and flexible. Make faint pencil marks for 7 columns and enough rows to cover the month. Start aligning sticky notes from the top left anchor, pressing the adhesive edge firmly and leaving 0.5 cm gaps to prevent buckling. Use color-coded headers for weekdays and different note colors for task types so you can scan quickly. Once a full row is in place, step back to confirm alignment. Then continue filling rows, keeping consistent spacing for neat. To finish, write dates and short labels so each sticky is actionable. You want one clear task per note. Once done, apply small masking tape strips to any corners that lift. This prevents wind or bumps from ruining the layout. Make sure to update daily. Move notes forward or remove completed ones to keep the calendar current. If notes keep peeling, switch to repositionable adhesive or reduce humidity near the board. That single tip fixes most longevity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.